Good afternoon, everyone. This is Stacy from Heartland Scoot Boots. This is just a quick follow-up video for one I posted last year regarding hoof distortions and the way it can affect the fit that you see on your horse's feet. This particular horse I had in size 2 scoot boots on the hinds last year, and the fit was horrible. But I corrected the distortions and the flaring to this foot, and I was able to move to a 2 slim, and the fit is absolutely perfect. Now these are well worn in boots, and so they appear to be a little bit loose, but this is really a textbook fit on this horse. I'm going to zoom in here. You can see I've got a really nice toe gap here. These are relaxed boots, so you'll see, you know, it's not super tight, but it fits right around the hoof wall really well. When I move to the side of this foot fills up this boot beautifully. And when I go around to the inside, you're going to see it's just as good. It looks quite nice. The other foot is exactly the same. Nice fit on this 2 slim, when before I had to use a 2 because of the flare in order to get a boot to fit this foot. I'm going to post this video along with the one from last year so you can see what a difference the correct trim can make on your horse's fit for boots. Now, that terrible fit that you'll see on the other video worked and functioned perfectly with this horse. It just had a really bad visual fit. But this is what a fit should actually look like. Have a great day and happy scooting.